How is your wife? Sandra, right? Trevor. Again. What do you want? What I want, my friend, is partnership.
Something seriously wrong with you. Something seriously wrong with you. A what?
Partnership. Hold on. Remember, say, me used to deal with some money for investors. And right now, my thing reduce. So what I try to say is that, why you not just give me one of the property then? And I can work on it. You can get a percentage when I'm done.
Hold on. Let me understand this. You want me, you want my property, so you run it, then give me a percentage of what is mine? You know what your problem? You're delusional. Ambitious, but delusional. Them times when you used to be investor and country, your issue was you never understand, say, it costs money to borrow money. It costs to carry money. You used to floss the money before you done the project them, and you could gather them and all these foolishness. You never want a partner then. You want a bailiff. You didn't want me bail you out of the foolishness where you get yourself in. And that you want to call partnership. Mr. Do you a favor. I throw you a lifeline. Me give you a job.
A job. A youth will rise so much in a life. And you cut me down to a yard boy. And you come and talk about, you do me a favor.
Here we go. There's the old Trevor. Still not learn. You don't understand nothing about rising from the ashes like a phoenix.
Rise. Wonder if you realize that every time you try to rise, you cut me down.
Because you're greedy and ungrateful.
Oh. So because me I rise to your level, you say me greedy. Are you alone for eat? Are you alone for see the big picture? Well, let me tell you this, Carlton Wallace. You owe me.
Owe you? Me? Owe you? After you make man come to jail to kill me. Because if I that you talk about Trevor, me will gladly repay.
What do you mean? What do you mean by dead? Dead?
Whispers, she dead. She dead. Me just hear it on the news. Them confirm say I fear her body as she.
So, hold on then. What does that have to do with you?
Whispers, this have everything to do with me. You know, sister things. Me go behind Mr. Mullins' back. Me broke every rule. Me go through everything to get this woman to talk. Whispers, I put my hand on the woman in the interrogation room, you know. That a motive to say me have things against her, you know.
Bossy, just calm down. Breathe easy a little bit. Take your time and think. I always do this good. Just take your time and think.